I'm trying to get more consistent with YouTube. So today we're doing a realistic day in my life as a nail tech. I have 2 clients today, therapy this morning, and somehow in between all of that, I'm gonna try to make time for content. So before I start the day, I have a therapy session at 10:30. My first client comes in at 12. So I'm just gonna head downstairs and set up for that. Some of you may know I do work from home now, so I have a home studio. Pretty much transformed my garage into my nail room. Here's a sneak peek of it. Here's my desk, everything. And I can give you guys a mini tour if you want, but I'm just gonna set up everything here to start my therapy session. I've been trying to prioritize my mental health more lately because I realized I can't keep trying to build a business while completely neglecting myself in the process. My first client is here, and today we're doing a refill redesign. She always just gets French. That's her go-to. We love a good French tip moment. So as you can see, I'm just applying the acrylic here. I'll have all the products that I'm using in this video listed down below in the description box. I will also leave the link to my Amazon storefront just in case you guys want to purchase these items. And I'll also be having a website coming out really soon, so look out for that. My next client isn't gonna get here till about 4. So in the meantime, I'm gonna work on this poster that I'm making for my cousin's graduation. My next and last client for the day is here, and let me tell y'all something about this set right here. When I tell you this set, I was ready to throw in the towel. It's just like it just felt like a lot. My client was moving. I had to keep reapplying coats. Her thumbs weren't drying. A lot was just going on. On top of that, my airbrush decided to stop working on me in the middle of this set. So I had to improvise and use a sponge to blend out the ombre. But thank God I know what I'm doing. And I was able to kind of just figure it out in the moment. But it really felt like a lot. And I couldn't wait to be done with that set. So it's the end of the workday. I'm about to just reset, do some skincare, have dinner, and edit a few videos. I am so grateful for everyone who watches, comments, subscribe to me, and is fully invested in my videos. I really appreciate that. I'm at 6K, and I can't even believe that I'm at 6K. I think I'm gonna try to post vlogs every Thursday and Friday. I think I want to stick to that schedule. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.